Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be cleaning up my kitchen. We ate lunch around 3 that day, and I didn't clean up right away because I had something else that I needed to do, and I didn't get to it until around 6:30 or 7. So I decided to do a relaxing nighttime cleaning, and I tried to find some relaxing music to go along with it so y'all can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the music.
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my home. 'Cause when you see light.
If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I'm Tiffany, and I create cleaning, decorating, and organizing videos. If that's something you like, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell. I would love for you to join my YouTube family.
And you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself.
So my husband and I were out earlier that morning getting some of the things we needed, and we got lucky and found paper towels at Dollar General. And we also had to go to Walmart for some things that we needed. And while we were there, my husband bought me a Keurig. And y'all, if you follow me on Instagram or if you just know me in general, you all know how much I love Starbucks. So y'all know my little heart was crushed when they closed down due to the coronavirus, but I understand safety first. So yeah, I was pretty excited about that. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the paper towels away. I wasn't able to get them all in my little storage bin. So I put one pack away, and then you'll see here in a little bit where I just take the other pack and store it in our pantry. Okay, y'all, I just want to take this time to thank all of my returning and new subscribers. You all have helped me to reach a little over 450 subscribers, and I thank God for each and every one of you. This has been an amazing journey so far, and I'm loving every minute of it. I can't wait to see what God has in store for my channel, because I know that the best is yet to come.
Find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is so loud. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling
So I had to move my little eat sign because I put my Keurig where the sign was. So I just decided to put it on top of the fridge because I just did not know where else to put it. And I wanted to display it because, to be honest with y'all, I was pretty proud of it because I made the little eat sign. So I wanted it to be displayed.
So I stay and just repeat it now. Yeah, oh, we dream about all things being alright, but we freeze when it's all up to us. So let's fight it, make a stand and try it. Everything will matter from now on. Matter from now on. Let's fight it, there's no way to hide it. 'Cause everything will matter from now on. 'Cause it's high tide. I can hear the sound, and I know that it's alarming, yeah. 'Cause time is running out, and we can't just.
And y'all know the last thing I do to get my house back smelling fresh after I finish cleaning my kitchen is to add my spearmint scented essential oils to my sink. And you know I gotta light my candles and burn my wax.
Now the party's done. Get off the floor. Time to go home. Or you can stay the night. I know where we've been, yeah. But baby, that was then. Who knows where this goes? I'm scared of this ghost. Oh, don't assume I don't just because I won't fall in. Maybe after this we can call it quits, destiny. Maybe we should try. Maybe we should try. What if it's different this time? What if we lose? What if we lose again? What if the story ends? What if we lose again? Again, again, no. this, we can call it quits, destiny. But maybe we should try. Maybe we should try. What if it's different this time?
Okay, y'all, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And don't forget that you can follow me on Instagram at TiffanyMichelle76. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.